What I do? Check if it works. What I do? Yeah, it works. By the way, check this out.
You know what I think about all this?
The male. Ableton Life 12 Beta has been released only for beta males and females, and it happens so that I'm a beta male. I am such a beta male, you know? Such a beta male. Such a beta male, you know? Such a beta male. You know, I'm such a beta male that I couldn't just resist not downloading it. We have new features. You probably all know this stuff, so I'm just wasting my time and your time. So I'm going to speedrun this, show you all the features. We're gonna judge it highly. I am already judging the Ableton because look at this. You see the colors? I've been talking about this for the whole month and complaining about this all the time. Look at the colors. The colors are completely messed up, bruh. There's absolutely zero colors right now that are cool to look at. Everything is bleak and soulless and lifeless. Like it feels like I'm looking at some like old dude that's been like dead for so long, and it's just like so dry and so, you know what I mean? I've been trying to set up this project and I'm like going through all these colors. There's none of them that are cool. Well, what's the point of them though, huh? Probably not many of you knows about this. It allows you to customize the color swatches and make it exactly your way. But it doesn't work anymore because the update broke the patching functionality, so you can't do it anymore. And Ableton has made the colors looking really cool before, but they had to introduce a new update that makes it just disgusting to look at. It's just ugly. And I hate it so much because it is so important to have these colors be custom, because if you have big projects, you're looking at these colors all the time. And if they are ugly, then you're looking at an ugly project, and it's just not nice to look at. And if you could customize them, then you could set them to anything you want. You would have a nice vibe that is nice to look at. It would be also inspiring when you're working on a song, but you can't do it. You can't just customize colors because customizing colors is really hard to code. At least give me pretty colors. Stem separation. We're gonna see if it slaps or if it sucks. Here are my assumptions. Stem separation coming from Ableton. I assume it's gonna slap. It's gonna be high quality, really high precision. For now, the highest precision of stem separation is available in the LLI. That's the highest quality that I've seen so far. Really precise in detail, sharp and high resolution. We're gonna stress test it maybe a little bit. We're gonna open it in like a heavier project. Yeah, and we're gonna go to stem separation on this. Can I open it? Help, can I open the menu? How do you do it, huh? Oh, separate stems to new audio tracks. Let's see. I'm gonna go for all, and we'll see how it slaps. Gotta take some time probably because it's stem separating. Show me the task manager. Oh my god, it lags my whole PC. Is there my IP? There's my IP here. Can't show it. It's using 100% of CPU. 26% of graphics? Oh, 100% CPU. I don't think it's using GPU. Yeah, it's not using GPU. What the hell is using my GPU, huh? Okay, CPU, it's been using CPU. My project's using 40 gigs of RAM. Are you kidding me? See what we've got here, the drums. I know these drums very well, so I'll be able to say and tell whether this is good and accurate or it's not. Let's see. It's not bad. It's spectral though. It's bass. Let's see vocals. Okay, that's nice. That's good. Oh, this one's low quality. So these drums are obviously not accurate. This one's pretty accurate. You can hear it's very liquidy, and you can hear the spectral processing is in there. It's not too precise, but I'm not too mad at it. It's good enough. Like you can chop these drums, and you can find the ones that are good. I would not say it blows my mind. It's not at the highest quality that I've heard based on this only example. But I'm gonna say that the spectral splitting, it has that specific feel, and it actually can be nice as a characteristic. So I'm not too, I would say it's definitely a good thing that they added it. It sounds not bad. When it comes to like precise separation, I don't know, based on this one example, you know, I would not say it's like the highest quality. Like the La 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 is definitely better. Generally speaking, you know, W Ableton for including this, I give it a thumbs up. The next thing is splice integration, which we open right here in this panel, and what it does is it opens splice, and you can go here, for example, you know, you can browse packs, you can see all the packs in here, you can browse presets, skins, free stuff as well. You know, if you like something, let's say, you know, polychrome, for example, it's one of the favorite packs, you know, from Splice that I found there. And you know, you just go there, you can either purchase it or preview. There's this cool new preview feature that you can browse different folders. For example, you know, you're interested like what the melodic loops are inside, you simply click through the categories, just you can preview the whole thing. And stuff like that, you know, you can build your own bundle, for example, just like click and browse. And this is such a generous company that they give you up to 50% off if you go for 30 packs, you know, which you can save like $500 of savings. Insanity. You know, you can see what's inside, obviously. You can see what the top producers say. You can see what you guys say, and you can view all the stuff like that. So that's basically the Splice integration. Super useful because you don't have to open the browser, you don't have to open websites and go, and it's just easy. Really convenient, really easy. Huge W for Ableton. Huge thumbs up for including Splice integration inside Ableton DAW. Thank you. Then we have bounce groups. This is for you know, like let's bounce or bounce that booty type of deal. You know, it's that type of feature. And some of the projects that are interesting to open are worth opening because of the interest that's in you know. Okay, that's kind of slaps. This is so resonating. I apologize. Okay, quick and easy. Oh, that slaps. Right, we have this thing. You can just go right click on this, bounce group in place. You know, like bounce that group as in bounce that booty. You know what I mean?
You know what I think about all this?
You know what I think about all this?
Oh, it's done. Let's see what it did. Now we have the. Did it remove the group? Are you kidding me? I need the group. Okay, cool. Cool feature if you want to get rid of the whole group and just have the bounce thing. I've been actually looking for this because I've been trying to do this a few times because they introduced the bounce in place thing, and I'm like, oh, that's so cool. You know, I can just like do it, but I'm like, where's the option here? You know what I mean? No option, but they added. Thank you so much. I mean, W Ableton so far. Approved feature. Paste bounced audio. Paste a copied clip or section as bounced audio into. What? Are you saying I can do this and what? Bounce tracks in place. Oh, a track cannot be a bounce because I'm rolling. I don't care. Think I care? That did nothing! Oh, it bounced individual. That's not what I want. Copy this. Copy. New track. Paste. That doesn't work. Paste bounce audio. So do I just, let's say, go here. Copy this. Copy. Paste bounced audio. So it takes this, bounces it, and posts it. And paste it in here. Paste it. Okay, that's cool. Approved. Cool. Cool, yo. Auto pen tremolo now it's called. Was it really that small? Okay, we have the standard auto pen. Cool. Sexy. You can see. I've been doing this using the phase, which you can offset the phase, and that's basically you get the tremolo thing. You know, but it's like nice that there's an option like this for that. Basically, and that's the same thing. The question is, do we have the beginning? See how sharp this is? Do we have the beginning fade a little bit? Because this is the problem. Like, you can't really use auto pen thing because at the beginning it creates the clicks because look how sharp this is. See how clicky this is? Can you fade it in? It's the real question. Oh, that's a little water. That's cool. Okay, this is saturates it. This is the invert. Oh, this is just volume. This is volume, and this is splits into two bands of this filter automation, which is just like wow type effect. This is a frequency automation based on the input signal. Oh, okay, that's cool. If this is like a high volume here, it should go like. Okay, so it like delays it a little bit so that it starts later. So you like sharpen here from the start, but then it like fades. It's basically the same thing, isn't it? That's literally the same thing. Okay, I do like it. It's cool. You just need to add the fade in at the beginning of this. Like just add like the transition to like fade out here. Cause you can see how like it gets really flaky, you know? Where are the shapes of this? Wait, there's no shapes. Here are the shapes. Which kinda... Wait, there's really no shape in here? Is this new? Yeah, so you're definitely not getting all the shapes here. But then you could use the padding as tremolo still. That gets like 50-50 because you don't get shapes in the tremolo, and also there's where it's fading. Eh? Like you have to do it because like you can't just you can't use this if it's giving you the clicks at the beginning. You still have to use like other plugins like LFO Tool. See? You just fade it. But that's what we need inside the AutoPen. This is what it's been missing forever. So it's like that, you know? AB featured for built-in devices. Okay, that's cool. Why the hell hasn't I've been using this earlier? It sounds cool. Compare switch to B. So you can type P. It would be nice if there was a button. It would be nice if I didn't have to right click and hit here. The P is like way too far. You know what I mean? So there needs to be like a button here. A, B, you know? I'll be merciful. I'll give it a thumbs up. Just make it easier to click, you know what I mean? Having to right click and go and switch is not cool. And my left hand is not close to the P. You know what I mean? Sometimes when I'm on the, on the toilet, sometimes it'll get close. What can I do? Usually it's not close to the P, So like if I want to be close to the P, I have to move it, So that's cool. I did not expect to make a video, but I'm happy that I did. You know what I mean? Let me know which feature is the coolest for you in your opinion. Let me know in the comments. Let me know, is Ableton cooking? I think it is. Ableton being the best DAW. I mean, they just keep proving that they're the best DAW company. What can I say? Anyways, that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and see you next one, you know what I mean?
This video has been brought to you by Oversampled.us, premium sample and preset packs. Sound selection is very important, and we always aim at creating the highest quality sounds possible to help you make professional songs in as easy as drag and drop way with no extra processing needed. We're offering sounds in many different genres. Our most loved packs are the Ultimate Future Bass Toolkit, Cyberpack, Polychrome, and Super Heavy Drums. If you want to sound like your favorite artists, we have packs like Volcano, Castles, Portify, and Resurrection. And if you're in need of quality drums for your songs, don't look any further than our Super Heavy collection with over 2,800 samples in total if purchased in a bundle that will cover all your drum needs. Our most recent pack is sound enhancers, including lots of ear candies, fillers, layers, and more, all to make your songs more interesting. Visit Oversampled.us and get sounds that'll make you a better producer.